There's no doubt you remember this young, smiling face. It belonged to 11-year-old Amethyst Silva. She tragically lost her life on New Year's Eve. She was fatally shot while watching fireworks with her family. The outpouring of support was overwhelming for the family. And now that family is looking for answers. Her family has decided to hire an attorney to get some answers into the incident. Our Iran Hammy shows you what they are hoping to uncover.
When someone goes through a terrible situation like this, time is of the essence. And it's essential to have emergency services immediately.
After hearing the law enforcement side of what happened the night Amethyst Silva died, her family is disputing what Police Chief Mike Markle says and are doing their own investigation.
Look, this is my baby.
As it stands right now, I don't agree with the chief. I don't. And so if he has the evidence to show that, have him come forward and show us that there was nothing went wrong.
The family and their attorney Mauricio Celis are challenging two things. The first, that the Silva family's 911 call was answered after Amethyst was shot.
There's a failure, like I've told my clients, either that happened because of that, either because of software, hardware, or personnel.
Earlier this month, Markle told us one of their 911 calls were answered, but there was no response, and the dispatcher called them back.
We showed them when they came in that we answered. We called back, and there was no answer, and I understand why.
Celis says the other issue is the illegal detainment of Amethyst's father after their car broke down.
I don't think it was right that we were held from seeing our daughter.
Her father, Robert, says when an officer got to their car, he was told he was not under arrest, but he was detained.
I said, okay, can I get across the building, please? He says no. He gets on his phone and he proceeds to drive me around the block on a joyride while my daughter is dying across the street.
Cops, from what he tells me, laughing, joking, standing behind the car while he's going through this tragic situation. It doesn't make sense.
We just had an 11-year-old girl brought into an ER who's been shot, mortally wounded. We're going to speak to one of the parents. That's not unreasonable to think.
No lawsuits have been filed yet, but Corpus Christi police are not commenting following the announcement because of possible litigation. Reporting in Corpus Christi, Iran Hammy, Chris 6 News.
2 men were arrested in connection with the shooting death of Amethyst Silva. 29-year-old Dionis Poindexter and 43-year-old Jacob Leal were both charged with deadly conduct by discharging a firearm. They were released on bond shortly after their arrest.